Hi everybody, Dr. Lamb here again with Bodyworks Health and Wellness. Just a quick video on what it's like to have your mid-back adjusted. You know, if you sit at a desk a lot, your shoulders roll forward, you're typing all day, you tend to get a lot of pressure in the neck and shoulder area, and then especially right in this mid-back between your shoulder blades. So what I'm going to demonstrate is how we do an adjustment of that mid-back or thoracic spine. So what I'm going to have the patient do, he's nice and relaxed here on the table. What I have him do is take a deep breath. Then we want to have him exhale, get all the air out of his lungs, and we just give him a bump. Just like this. What that does is it relieves a lot of that tension in that spine. Sometimes you hear some pops in there, but it's really effective for eliminating a lot of that tightness and pain in the mid-back. So, mid-back issues, give us a call. Our website is at the link below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and stay tuned for more videos.